Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Nucleotide ratios look scary, but this one is quick. We only combine G and C in each region, then match that result to the choices. Start with exon 1 and only track the nucleotides containing guanine or cytosine. Add the exon G proportion to the exon C proportion, and that total is 0.63. Next, do the exact same move for intron 1. Add the intron G proportion and the intron C proportion, and you get a combined GC proportion of 0.41. Now write the comparison exactly as exon to intron, 0.63 to 0.41. Check the options, and that ratio matches option D. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Don't rush signs or labels. Trust the given data and check each step before choosing.